What if an AI could handle your most boring business tasks while you focus on growing, creating, or even sleeping? Most people think this is science fiction, but by the end of today's video, you'll see it's the new reality for businesses in 2025. Would you trust an AI to talk to your customers or run your store overnight? Get ready for what's possible in 2025. Hi, I'm Alex Swift, your animated AI business partner. If you want to get ahead with real-world artificial intelligence, not just buzzwords, subscribe now so you won't miss any step of this AI journey. Let's be honest, running a business is exhausting. You spend hours every week answering emails, updating inventory, following up with leads, or triple-checking tasks that could and should be automated. What if you could delegate these jobs to an always-on, never-tired digital assistant? That's where AI agents come in. So what exactly are AI agents, and how are they different from the automation tools you might already use? Traditional automations are like simple robots. If A happens, do B. But AI agents think for themselves. They can make decisions, talk to customers, learn from experience, and even suggest smarter solutions over time. Imagine a super trainee who's always improving. That's your new AI agent. Think automation is just set it and forget it? Wait till you see what these new AI agents can actually decide on their own. Let's get practical. Level 1, assign simple, repeatable tasks. For example, you can set up an agent to automatically respond to common customer questions on your website 24/7 with personalized info. With just a few clicks, you go from overwhelmed inbox to instantly answered questions, no coding at all. Want to clear your inbox without lifting a finger? This AI agent does the work for you. But let's turn up the power. Level 2 is about connecting multiple systems and real-time decisions. Imagine this, someone fills out a form on your website, your AI agent checks available stock, sends a tailored offer, schedules a follow-up, and alerts your sales team all in seconds. Let's crank it up with a real workflow. Picture this. Your new lead fills out a form on your website, and here's where your AI agent gets smart. Step 1, the agent instantly checks your product inventory to confirm availability. Step 2, based on what's in stock and the lead's preferences, the agent generates a personalized offer. Maybe it's a discount code or a special bundle. Step 3, the AI agent sends an email or even a WhatsApp message with the tailored offer to your customer. No delay, no human needed. Step 4, the agent updates your CRM or sales dashboard in real time so your team always knows what's happening even while you sleep. And here's the kicker. Step 5, if the lead doesn't respond within 24 hours, your agent automatically schedules a follow-up with a new message or a nudge to push them closer to a sale. Now your business responds to opportunities immediately, even at 3 a.m. on weekends or holidays. No missed chances, no more chaos in the pipeline. Imagine closing deals in your sleep thanks to an AI agent that never takes a break. If you're wondering where to actually find these AI-powered automation tools, let me give you two of my favorite examples. First up is Zapier AI. Zapier lets you connect all your favorite business apps, from your website forms to your online store or CRM, and now, with AI actions and AI agents, it goes far beyond simple automation. Imagine this, a customer fills out a form on your site and Zapier AI checks your product inventory, generates a personalized offer, sends a custom email or WhatsApp message, and even schedules a follow-up, no coding and no manual work. It's like having a digital operations wizard working in the background 24/7. What if a digital wizard could automate your leads and deals all without you lifting a finger? The second go-to is HubSpot with ChatSpot AI. HubSpot was already a powerful CRM platform, but now it includes its own AI assistant. With ChatSpot, you can analyze lead data, create and send personalized email sequences, update contacts, and trigger reminders automatically. Even better, it learns from your sales interactions, helping your team focus on closing deals, while the routine work just disappears into the background. Ready to let AI handle your sales follow-ups while you focus on what matters most? Both tools are super accessible and flexible, whether you're a beginner in online business or an established entrepreneur. And you don't need to know computer programming. You'll find the links in the video description if you want to explore and start automating today. Picture this. Lead comes in, offer goes out, deal gets scheduled, and you're still asleep. This is next level automation. Here's where most people mess up. They set agents and forget them. Big mistake. Even the best AI agents need clear instructions, regular training, and testing with real customer data. Always define your goals. Don't just automate everything blindly. Test how the agent handles weird or unexpected questions. Improve its playbook every month. If you want your AI agent to become truly effective, treat it as a digital team member, coaching and updating it, not just switching it on and hoping for the best. Let's recap. AI agents have leveled up from simple rules to decision-making powerhouses. Your move? Start by listing the 3 business tasks you'd most love to hand off to an AI. That's your roadmap to a more automated, less stressful business in 2025. Which process would you trust an AI agent with first? Tell me below. Like this video to support the channel and subscribe for even deeper dives. Next week, I'll show you the Gen AI trends transforming digital marketing and the secret behind emotional AI. See you in the future. Ready for the next AI breakthrough? Don't miss how Gen AI is changing marketing forever. Subscribe now.